Se we aso bibia ye okay abufo ntama wo ba bibia na ye na se bibia nya okay ba se bibia na obufu
eti me kwa no hu mi se atwe hia gu manim ana
no na se sometimes
and tell it na wo kasa sa I didn't say kasa sa I don't say me dey no
I don't like udwa me sa ma
me ni mo ba bia me hia wo da
eti relax na wo
da binya wo ye no me wo de kasa me tie ni na wo
do na me do wo da so na me ka so ba yo si yo na nye fine ti woni me yan kasa I mean calm down
akasa be ni ya beti mi aka hye me na waka hye me kwa wo pe me hu ya wo fe wo be so na me nante e di ebiem so wa hu abrante me nam ho me wo se wo ye mi yie na me hu mi masaya na wo mi front mago ana me daga tem ma chat form
okasa no ya
o me kasa de nye yes me ni uda je se so hu mi na form wo nya me hye adan aha me both do sabia ko papa any grade and as a brother say brother whatever mean to say what you say mama can show me say small boys we say they mean people my blood boom
me nyina o menya krasa
when you we akola so when you na ya akola nka obe twema nka wonya sen fan frɛ no so when you nia enka me twem e ka wonya sen fan frɛ so ahwe ye pa hu yo
that's fine
Eshme before what say
that's fine
Eshme before what say
that's fine
oh get here na me kwan e dey asem and I say oh baby na so person me deliver this small boys you
don't call me small boy
we are small boy like na me pass small boy like you we are small boy to me
kwai
me kwai what me pa me so one person me say kuma hwa sum no hu bon sam fu na mo na adu papa atra ho
obo business me do aso
e dey ben business busy is my fault. What are you talking about? It's a business mugu. What the fuck? Muna wana masamata moya subukwa hu. Oh yo, kwa mse menya kwa fra. Ada wapaba. Oh. Wapaba na jina ho mi tusumi manu. Kwa jina ho tusumi manu. Wa bo wo da hwasa me pew. Be so yemi yo me da form. Me da gatem. Why Rasta said that you do fear in aba. Some pew be so me yo ye. Woni me dia tumi am na mi ase anka ba kasa kwa san fan hwe me. Some funny ahometi abakomo wi asa ka some funny fan hwe me. Oh brother, sinabra. Sibra. Wono na bodi some fun baby abata no. Look at side po baby an. E kwa jo. Ha radio am bukref. Mi kwa na se mi nyebe.
Long.
Virus. Me sorry pa some people long right. Na me no be twa talk be. Oh, ni pia say. Ya djuma e die.
But we be fine there.
Oh. Otumfo adaro mani ahwe ye nti bibia ye fine. Umum na kese se me busa o se bibia ye fine ana.
Don't. I miss like I say o futu ni adaro menti bibia ye fine na utwe dia mpokwa.
Sanity. C'est l'autre photoshoot na ko sisi.
Don't ba so me ne guy no de o ye Beyonce dia na me na kasana. O ka bibi se weekend di. Obaka ko twa obi wedding bi. Se ka bitima me ya ne man dia. E dey plan se Monday. Loti kra think me na kasa ya nra. Ya anti plan se Monday bitima ko ye free on ma.
We ne de na ya na special. If you say na ma me de ba be yi no srade e wo ho no. Ye yiwie na ya anya adwuma emfie num krempa yi ne haw.
Wow. When they always say me photographer and he's the best when it comes to Southfield now. They will be see trauma they looking attractive there. Southfield na there. Only size, let me say that.
Odwene me ho say. Wa hwe hu a ba bia misika be kwa ku bra bia no. Me sa tweba.
Yeah, sometimes we say yeah, I am a sase wunye nipa. Because on a more serious, that's a terrible near maybe one moment. Who say Nippon Panasi when your kiss customers or canis canis for sale crana? Wouldn't you be anything? Said that duty. But they were kind of hams and was out here from Sikam and I say,
oh, the entire me tissue Sikam no me per se, or yes, smart to name me. Not the same, a master monster could say. A master, no master. Oh, Shamimbo.
A master de Sammy Jai. ya is me hu ma akra me hwe o na se bia me hu se oba bi ba me speedy I say ana bi ban me ana makata me ni e ma asem de say me hu se enye intimi me say ala me put your stuff together kra
di ntia ya enye se me ha o ma asem no mo hwe unim di ntia ma twen wa ban me sa no from the very beginning me hu wo no
that was it
from the very beginning me hu wo no
okay
ena me hu se ensuruma bi wo mo maso kwa me twen wo ban wo betumi a shine wo be shine yi pa ma wiase nyina bi hu
wow
na ema asem no ya ya oti se krama ya di dompe sum na fidie na wo de no ma pe no me hu ni se wan hwe ya se wo so wato foundation me di kan ka che wo se wan hwe be kwa kowie e wo jail insta wo ema na do be ko it is the same se me say hu so we stand falling into that trap of a man virus on say na me sake me offer so say kofi no sana me sake o eti wanya kase wasakran ko ade ene me frɛ opambo me kwa akɔbɔ opatoko je ko bo afɔde no me ga danya kokon wase eti na de me da pa
me da pa o ka kyerɛ me se bia lot ni Beyonce bit marry o send dey o kan
me de mama bre wo fi
okay
enti se o jampe sa nam na kwa abonten a ene na o de ne de just dey choose
I say your friends Beyonce especially say as me train dey enti no na me be dey as o charge me bia na ana me twa
me so bu ni nyina wanya aka mama tene de I consider it done why eti na adwuma na ebe na me ne CID pani bi ye ba bia be fa awuram ni ba bia ebula alambura e be fa PhD me kotoa so why eti u de
na oni me din komo so phone so say ka be ma me de work site me bia na anya ma so
me site no we smart pa the time person me do ko site o nye bibia me person ko hu machine bia ma peja na a motivate you na etimi a motivate you ama e masem no what so ana wetimi ejai kura ne so o si wejai ntu ko hu site na motivate you akwa ti say eraser no now they eraser bibia akwa ti say eraser now they paper bibia ye den every hono me pese dachi no wabusua fotim babe ma me don afianga mo se adon afianga wetimi ma yabusua no yetimi a shine enti me do be ko nyankopon ya adoma wo chena it take note of it
okay na tell you say am so me kwa ye one or two rounds bi open why
mate aya hwe why enti me ko to aso why
okay what say obelo ki bia fa kwa ne da ha why ha kama ne da ho
sister me no ka say said me nyim kran almost a month ni
wonyim
say ma uchimu ina sheshe
ti na chese oni virus na nyim
ni virus why be well sure
okay
adai
me won why ya ni boy ya nyim
and of course we say the be man oba share definitely pregnancy will come
inti se so be ni den
e come me dey ka I mean chance of you me think me wono
wo be wo
ai
wo ne virus be wo
I mean quite abortion na
eh when me can say wo be wo
I didn't be told there was some me wo ana what do you mean me baby tie wa dwenche
wanyem wo adwane wonnim na kira kwan address be na virus wa wo pese one ne wo address be na wo ba no obenya a wo pede wo do pese one ne wo kumase akrantie onko a pese wo we what be da
eti me da
dinyim de yigu
ha na okra say wo like kra nye madam for ni wa asemato me na me ba be ka show na ya pe bibia ya fa ho no bibia ka be chere no me nyi nsan ni
oh no se mama Lewis a wo pena na me dia ma we be bi anim yigu eno na me dia ma no because nipa ne nyim a wadwan se wo ko hu no wan
before me share no me hu I mean e betina afia me ka show say me share me ex my son share me ex what I say into so far as ye share ya che na ye san be share definitely we to was akro be san ba ye say bossman me e kon prince o ko ba ko mi nu na say they told me eta no e be fa in definitely me say share
ti akwa we ya na adwena ye sa anti clockwise no
Still now that's one in him. Eh, what's one ding? Akrantie.
Abortion party.
Nkwa hoje. Akuna sa de na to papa nso ho no. E chese aya wo dia, de ni ko she fridge mu.
Abortion dem to me. Mr. Cameron for sure.
Me de no na make achiro nti me de ministry ka bio. Nkwa na me baba be ye na madam for bi so quotation nti.
Wo quotation.
Wo wa ha me nti
What's that way?
Sample. Yes, you go.
Ndaboko de.
Bonini. Na udu en.
Me ko me dan ho.
Ofie ho. Na Sample. Onim se safo awu kunu de.
Oh.
Kachi.
Na oba to wase. Safo wakati me se oni ne kunu jai. Safo wa ni kunu.
Safo a. Na be na kunu jai.
Me ni kunu nya me kunu ne nete wo. Mini mi kunu nyae na wo bisa me na wo hia me ohusam ni obi na man hwehwe ni wo be bisa me we no me na wote wo
anya hwehwe ni mu awade de egu a ye de be man sako ense bia mpie mu ti ade a chese awade na gu
eja me be mu kakra
wo de ya fa adwen
me fa ne papa yi kan die
aho ya nti de bia na ni nchem aye pofo because onu so wonam na eden obehia obi oni ne benya ntokwa ti de bia gloves hihye na ata so
oba so opeho na ade no ompeho
Mame Sadia na say we ndie me mpeo ase we mudi bi di want me name vibe cry am me ba me ntimi feel okay. Don't tell me say old issue na wo da so join ho.
Lottie.
Yes.
Say old issue you can't come find sir.
I didn't be.
She say I west.
Ada wa back.
Why? All back cross think my find sir. Can you imagine say me nyam?
Huh?
Lottie. Issues ni nchi minyam.
What? Oh my God. With him and I say with different person.
Why be
was with him? Jesus Christ. So what you gonna do? With there, I would advise say you fast. Get rid of it. Can't sana you too late. Yes now.
Oh Lottie. Me koi.
Oh, Naga, why are you ready for a bastard day? Naga bending. Just, Mommy, first thing tomorrow morning, Mommy, coach out me, I'm a dobeko. If I go home, specialist, no issue. You're very good, very, very good. Won't say we just have to clear it. And son, are you too late? Because, wait there. Never join him and I have a fun because, hey, why are you ready for 9 months?
I think say new because Mr. say me experience say me home for many idea no. Almost 2 months in you.
Don't tell me no. My main what's body needs to sound who say what's the sound who kakra. No. Yeah, that's the only option.
I'm scared.
No, don't be. There is a first time in everything.
How?
Yes.
Nothing.
Because when you no but me and do because man na kasa no oko.
I mean a shiny part.
Oh. Don't tell me that. Sudden the near can't teach you a real Yamina Shenipa. Say, when you're the obedi house in Yamina Shenipa. I beg you, just get rid of that shit in there. Now start to dress it up. Nancy streets mo. Better men are out there. Because Salkas will keep his side away for 9 good months there. Hell no. Me the men can crabby dear bro. The other better to be big. But for how long? For how long?
No. Okay, Mati. Me name mama be di hon come out. After the na me hu dia. I mean, my next.
Asem a onkenje. Asem kwala asem. Mother ben pan na be kwa catch ni so you be catch say get rid of the baby. Mother ben definitely be catch say wo nso anu ba be dware akra no dware na 3 months. She will even get tired of you because Obeka say obani her. One way mami. ɔma ne ntoma ɔma ne bibi adododede ne ba obestart kwade obesia jele gu so no na ɔmfɛfo si so na sei na fe wonu ho kwa sɛ o make some mistake no